After Israeli lawmakers passed the contentious bill limiting the Supreme Court's powers, the top court on Thursday stated that it will hear the legal challenges of the new law which weakens its powers. This will put Supreme Court in the position where it can protect its powers and independence, which might result in escalating the already massive unrest in the country. Israeli civil society groups and others filed petitions in the Supreme Court demanding it to strike down the law, which is a part of Israeli government's broader plan to overhaul Israeli judiciary. However, there are higher possibilities of the government ignoring Supreme Court's ruling, directly setting a stage for civil unrest to engulf the nation. Notably, the Netanyahu government passed the bill limiting the top court's power of striking down government's decision by 64-0 votes after the opposition abandoned the session in protest. Not only the parliamentarians, but the passing of the bill has triggered the entire nation to come on streets. Israel's closest ally, America and the European Union have also raised concerns regarding the government's controversial bill. Significantly, the Netanyahu government wrote the law to prevent liberal, unelected judges from interfering in decisions made by elected lawmakers. When in effect, the law will have a path for the Netanyahu government to override the court. Furthermore, in the future, the government also plans on increasing the role of politicians and governments in selecting the court's members. According to the plan, the cabinet ministers would be empowered to appoint their own legal advisors in place of the civil service professionals who currently can thwart initiatives deemed problematic. Netanyahu's allies have vowed to press forward with more judicial changes after the parliamentary recess. Interestingly, Israel does not have a constitution and thus it relies on a set of basic laws which enshrines right and freedom. The Prime Minister, who governs through a majority coalition in Parliament, has control over the executive and legislature. In such a scenario, the Supreme Court plays a critical role in overlooking the government.